Hello, my name is Keith Kopitzke. I'm the principal engineer here at DCN. My primary role is to do product development, both in the sampling handling devices and help support the assay team with lateral flow cassettes. My background was originally in industrial design, focusing on consumer electronics, automotive design, stereo equipment, and things like that. As I came to the medical industry, I noticed that there wasn't the same maturity in the way that they address user interface. And so with the way that the medical industry has changed, the home experience has been much more important. And that's where I've been able to help contribute more, both the laboratory equipment and also in a home user experience.